Hey guys, what's going on? It is your realtor, Nick Isgro with eXp Realty here in Central Maine. Now today I'm in Waterville. I'm at 20 Edgewood Street, and let me tell you, if you are an investor looking for an investment property, taking advantage of this great rental market, or you're a first-time home buyer and you're looking for something that is under $200,000, I know it's hard to find, this is the property. Let me tell you about it. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. You have 2 bedrooms on the first floor, 1 bath on the first floor, 2 and 1 on the top as well. A 2-car garage, plenty of room for expansion, and plenty of space inside to spare. So without any further ado, let's head inside.